Ever found yourself needing to send money urgently but your phone is the only thing you've got within reach? It's a common scenario, right? Maybe you're splitting a bill with a friend after a fantastic suya dinner here in Ibadan, or perhaps you need to contribute to a last-minute Aso Ebi purchase and your wallet feels miles away. In moments like these, the convenience of your mobile phone becomes incredibly appealing. Now, if you're a Lloyds Bank customer, a question might pop into your head: can I actually transfer money using just my phone? It's a valid query in our increasingly digital world, where mobile banking apps and online platforms often take center stage. So, let's dive into whether your trusty phone can also act as your personal mobile teller with Lloyds. The short answer is, yes, Lloyds Bank does offer ways for you to transfer money over the phone. However, it's not quite as straightforward as dialing a number and verbally instructing a transfer. Instead, Lloyds provides secure and convenient methods that leverage your phone's capabilities. One primary way you can transfer money using your phone with Lloyds is through their mobile banking app. This dedicated application, available for both Android and iOS devices, essentially puts your bank branch in your pocket. Once you've downloaded the app and registered your device, you can log in securely using your fingerprint, Face ID, or password. From there, navigating to the Payments or Transfers section will allow you to send money to existing payees or set up new ones. You will typically need the recipient's account number and sort code for a standard bank transfer. The app guides you through the process, ensuring all necessary details are captured correctly before you authorize the payment. Another method involves using Lloyds Bank's online banking platform through your phone's web browser. While not a direct over-the-phone voice interaction, you can access your online banking portal by visiting the Lloyds Bank website on your mobile browser. After logging in with your credentials, you'll find similar options for making payments and transferring funds as you would on a desktop computer. This can be a useful alternative if you prefer not to download the mobile app or if you're using a device where app installation isn't possible. It's worth noting that for security reasons, Lloyds Bank typically doesn't allow initiating new transfers solely through a standard phone call to their customer service. While their representatives can certainly assist with account-related queries and provide information, directly instructing them to send money to a new recipient over a voice call poses a security risk. The mobile app and online banking platforms incorporate robust security measures, such as multi-factor authentication and encryption, to protect your financial transactions. Therefore, while you can't simply call Lloyds and say, "transfer this amount to that account," your phone is indeed your gateway to transferring funds through their secure mobile app and online banking services. These methods offer convenience, security, and the ability to manage your finances on the go, whether you're navigating the bustling markets of Dugby or relaxing at home. So, the next time you need to send money quickly and your phone is handy, rest assured that Lloyds provides the tools you need right at your fingertips. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.